Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to share music through your Zoom meeting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to share the music through your Zoom meeting, you just simply have to open your Zoom Workplace application or zoom into any of the other browser. And after that, just simply open a meeting where you want to share your music. And after joining into the meeting, just simply click to this share button. And after clicking into the share, you will see so many options into here. You just simply have to click into this advanced button and then just simply choose the computer audio option. Then after selecting the computer audio option, click to this share button. Then your computer audio will be shared through the Zoom meeting. If you play a music into your computer, all of the participants into your Zoom meeting can hear the music as it is in very clear audio. By following these very easy steps, you can easily share any of the music from your Zoom meeting. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.